Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do something different. In front of you, you see two identical Lenovo laptops. The one on the left has got 2 gig RAM in. We're going to remove that RAM and we're going to move it into this Lenovo. This one on the right's got 4 gig RAM. So in total we're going to have 6 gig of RAM. So let's start by removing the battery. You only need to remove this panel. So this is the RAM module right over here, and the way you remove it is there's a tab here and a tab there. You push it both to the sides at the same time. And then it just pops up. So now you just take it out. So it says right here 2 gigabytes of RAM. So now it's removed. So let's close this one up. So this is laptop number 2. This is the one with the 4 gig RAM. And there goes the cover.